Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. So today we are going to make something a little different. We are going to make squid and Spam meatballs. Now, I know you're thinking, that sounds, I don't know, a little crazy. Maybe it is, but you know, I'm really tapped out on ideas and that's what I came up with. Oh, wait a second. Hello.
Mike, it's Jim from Jim's Kitchen. Guess what day it is?
Well, Jim, I know it isn't hump day because it's Monday, it's not Wednesday.
It's National Eat a Peach Day. You need to eat a peach.
Yeah, Jim, I was just getting ready to shoot an episode. Gonna make some squid and Spam meatballs.
You need to eat a peach.
Okay, then I need to change my plans. Okay, I got something for it. Thanks a lot. Yeah, it's a great idea. National Eat a Peach Day. All right, well luckily, I have some chicken wings right here. Let's make some peach whiskey wings. No. Let's make some smoked peach whiskey wings. So I have my Yoder YS640 pellet grill heating up right now to 250 degrees. Now, seeing that it's 116 in the Valley of the Sun right now, probably should take 3 or 4 pellets and then maybe 2 or 3 per hour to maintain that. So, as that's happening, we got to prepare our wings. So what I have here are the party wings. Now, I know a lot of recipes out there tell you to separate the flat from the drumette. I don't do that till the end because it's so much easier to turn these on the grill when they're all one piece. I have cut off all the wing tips. So I have about 8 pounds here of wings. Now the recipe down below gives you a more normal size. As always, I'm feeding a horde here at the Galley of the Sun. So down there in the description gives you a recipe for about 3 pounds of wings. So I'm going to double everything. First thing we're going to do to get these wings ready is get a little bit of avocado oil on there so the rub sticks. Not go crazy with it, just a little bit. I can get that rubbed in. All right, now I'm going to wash the paws. All right, paws washed. Now we're going to hit these with some salt and pepper. And we're going to go a bit easy on them because we got more seasoning to put on these, which is going to have more salt in it. All right. Then we're going to hit it with some Twisted Q Magic Mojo seasoning. Why? Because it's a Latin spices with coconut sugar, sea salt, and citrus. And we are using a peach whiskey glaze on these. In my head, all that goes together. There's a lot of things going on in my head. You probably don't want to know. But anyway, let's do it. Now we flip them all and do the same thing to the other side. A lot of paw washing in this one. All right, that's it. Now the wings go out in the smoker for 2 hours. Then we'll crisp them up a little bit at the end, and that's all we need to do with the wings except for toss them in that glaze and get some glaze on them. As these are smoking, we'll get that glaze going. And the wings go on. Getting as many on the top shelf as I can because that's where it soaks up the smoke the best. We may not get them all on the top, but we'll get as many as we can. All right, let's go make some glaze.
I got my peaches.
No sticker. No sticker. Sticker. All right, so the wings are out in the smoker. Now we're going to make this incredible glaze. So, once again, all the amounts are down below. I'm making a little bit more because I'm doing a little bit more wings than what that calls for. But here you have a choice. You can use a 28-ounce can of peaches and syrup. Dump it in there and get us started, right? But it is peach season, and we have these beautiful fresh peaches in the grocery store. So I'm going to take 4 of those, give them a rough chop, and chuck them into this here food processor. Okay, so there's a reason I'm using my food processor once I figure out how to use the damn thing. Really, don't you think that should be at the front? I do. Anyway, the reason that I'm using the food processor instead of the Vitamix is because I do want a little texture here. The Vitamix is going to liquefy everything. I want a little bit of the peach pulp in there and everything. So, got my peaches in. We're going to give that a few pulses. Okay, and then we're going to add the next 6 ingredients, which are some garlic cloves, the juice of half a lime grown here at the Galley of the Sun. That was underwhelming in its juice output, so I'm going to use 2 of them. I'm going to use the whole thing because I want about a tablespoon. About a tablespoon of hot sauce. We love this Flavor Cano, which we get from All Things Barbecue out of Wichita, Kansas, where good people come from. So we're going to pour about a tablespoon of that in there. Follow that up with some honey. And then last but not least, the whiskey part of it, some Crown Royal Peach. Good stuff. Now we're going to get all that mixed together. Ooh, that smells good. Now, I'm going to take that, I'm going to put it in a saucepan on the stove. I'm going to bring it up to a simmer. Once it hits that simmer, I'm going to add a water cornstarch mixture and keep stirring until it thickens up. Then I'm going to take it off the heat and set it aside until our wings are ready for it, which is going to be about an hour and a half from now. All right, these puppies have been on the smoker for 2 hours. Now it's time to pull them off, get our direct cooking going so we can crisp them up a little bit and get some of that incredible peach whiskey glaze on them. Oh, they are gorgeous already. Look at that. They're only going to get prettier. Now we're going to jack that temperature up to 400 degrees so we can get these crispy. All right, we are up to temp. So now we glaze, then we put them on the fire. You know, I wonder what Jim's doing right now.
Millions of peaches, peaches for me. Millions of peaches, peaches for free.
Glaze side down. And we're only going to leave these on there long enough for me to get them on, glaze the other side, and then flip them. There's plenty of sugar in that glaze, so we don't need to leave them on too long to get that char. Oh, the smell hitting me right now. Oh. Okay, we want to hit these fast for 2 reasons. We don't want them to burn, and it's freaking hot. Okay, got the glaze on. Let's give them a flip now. Oh, you can see we got char marks. We're going to be eating good tonight. Okay, we're going to hit them with glaze one more time and then pull them. If you're the type that loves to take a picture of your food to make your friends feel jealous, we want to pull these presentation side up. So you know one side of a chicken wing looks way better than the other. That's what I started with. So on this last flip, we have that presentation side up. It's got that beautiful glaze on it. Now we'll pull those so we can put them on a platter and make them party party. All right, let's get in where there's air conditioning. All right, so the art department got a hold of my platter here, got us some beautiful pictures. Here is some Jamaican pickled pineapple slaw. Stuff's incredible. I've done a short video on it. I've also made it with Jamaican fried chicken. You want to give that a try. Hey, by the way, before I try this, if you like what you saw today, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, never miss an episode. Leave a comment for us and let us know what's your favorite type of wings. What's your favorite way to eat a peach? Peaches come in a can. They were put there by a man in a factory downtown. Okay, let's give this a try. I'm a flat guy myself. You definitely get that smoke flavor. Set on the smoker for 2 hours, I hope so. And also that sweetness from the peach. Absolutely marvelous. Give this a try. And I hope you have a fantastic National Eat a Peach Day. Thank you so much for joining us. And until next time, fair winds and following seas.
Oh, Mike, those wings are peachy keen. You know what I'm gonna make? I'm gonna make a flamin' peach pie. Great talking to you.
So I've got my grill right now. So I have my Yoder Smoker YS 650. I'm gonna add a water cornstarch mix. I'm gonna add a water cornstarch mix. Here is some Jamaican pineapple. Here is some What in the f am I doing wrong? Why are you kicking my entire ass? What is the issue here? Okay, locked, locked. What's wrong? Okay. Oh, God damn it. Oh, look at that, it works.